Audi RS7 is an executive luxury coupe from 2010. Available as a 5-door liftback with sloping roofline, steeply raked rear window, and integrated boot. The RS7 has a twin-scroll 4.0L V8 engine rated at 600 HP and 700 Nm, an 8-speed Tiptronic with cylinder deactivation mode and self-locking center differential with a high locking rate, polished 20 forged wheels, high-gloss black painted grille, a choice of 10 colors and an aluminum-finished MMI terminal with buttons and dials in a matte aluminum trim. The RS7 can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour under 4 seconds and is limited to 155 miles per hour. The optional Dynamic Package and Dynamic Package Plus increase top speeds to 174 miles per hour and 190 miles per hour respectively. Exterior mirrors with exposed carbon housings are also available, as are OLED headlights, head-up display, Comfort Package, Dynamic Package Plus, and Bluetooth online car phone. In October 2015, Audi announced the RS7 Performance with a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine with 605 horsepower and 750 Nm. There are two packages available, Dynamic and Dynamic Plus. The Dynamic Package increases the top speed to 174 miles per hour, while the Dynamic Plus package increases it to 190 miles per hour. The RS7 Performance accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 35 seconds and 12 seconds to 124 miles per hour. As a result of improved performance, fuel economy, and CO2 emissions have remained unchanged.
This life is a nuisance, tied up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty.
BMW's Motorsport division developed and marketed the BMW M4 in 2014 as a high-performance version of the BMW 4 Series coupes and convertibles. In addition to an improved engine, suspension, exhaust system, brakes, and weight reduction measures, the BMW M4 features more carbon fiber. The BMW announced the M4 Competition package in February 2016. There is an M4 Competition package with 450 horsepower and a revised suspension system to improve handling. New springs, dampers, and anti-roll bars are included to complement the M4's adaptive M suspension system. In addition, BMW has retuned the electronic differential and dynamic stability control to match the new hardware. The interior remains largely unchanged, but competition package cars get new lightweight sport seats. On the outside, there is an M Sport exhaust with black chrome tailpipes as well as high-gloss shadow line exterior trim. Gloss black trim is added to the kidney grille, side gills, and model badge on the trunk. If you opt for the competition package, you'll reach a standstill to 62 miles per hour in 4.0 seconds and it'll have a maximum speed of 158 miles per hour. You can find a convertible and the number of seconds it will take the car to complete a race is 4.1 in both versions, the coupe and the convertible. M Performance parts can be fitted to any of the M4s, which includes the following: carbon fiber diffuser, carbon fiber spoiler, a splitter, carbon fiber grills, carbon fiber engine cover, carbon fiber gear shifter, carbon fiber gear surround, decals and black side skirts. This is the second generation of the BMW M4, a high-performance version of the standard M4. Global deliveries will begin in early 2021. Among the M4's enhancements are a 35 kilowatts and 47 horsepower increase over the previous version, as well as the twin-kidney grille borrowed from the 4 Series. Convertible versions of the new M4 are available as competition models with MX drive, which were unveiled in May 2021. As for acceleration from 0 to 62 miles per hour, it takes under 4 seconds. The top speed is electronically limited to 158 miles per hour. With the optional M Drivers package, it can be increased to 174 miles per hour.
Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.